To utilize Frontier Miles, registration is the first step, which can be completed by creating an account on the Frontier Miles sign-up page at booking.flyfrontier.com. Earning miles can be done in several ways, including flying on Frontier Airlines, where miles are awarded based on the flight ticket value, using the Frontier Airlines credit card for eligible transactions, shopping with Frontier partners such as rental car companies and hotels, buying additional miles from Frontier, and booking cruises with them. Once miles have been earned, they can be redeemed for flights by logging into the Frontier Miles account, searching for flights by miles to determine the required amount, selecting the desired flight if enough miles are available, paying extra charges such as tax and redemption fees, and finishing the booking process. Additionally, Frontier Miles can be redeemed for magazine subscriptions through the Mags for Miles program, which offers a list of eligible magazine subscriptions. Overall, using Frontier Miles is a straightforward process.